welcome back. Let's give you a live update on the Kerala gold probe as it seems to be expanding with more ministers now that are under scanner. Accused in the case, Sarath PS has now named another minister, a top leader in the Kerala cabinet, and he said K. Surendran took favours in the capacity of his post, adding that the minister also visited the UAE consulate for a job for his son. As no names are now tumbling out where Sarath has been claiming that the Kerala minister took favours, going across to Ashwin, because Ashwin, one minister after the other, this is the name of a second minister and very close to Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. Now, even as the Chief Minister continues to remain in denial and has been saying that he has no link whatsoever with the main accused in the case, the investigative agencies are now getting out more and more names from the accused in the case, whether be it Swapna Suresh or even Sarath PS.
Absolutely. Sarath PS, who was a prime accused in the gold smuggling case, used to work in the UAE consulate as his PRO. Now, his statement saying that he has met Kadagapalli Surendran multiple times at the UAE consulate, and in which he also states that Kadagapalli Surendran has spoken to the consulate general asking for a job for his own son in the UAE. This is ridiculous to say the least. A state minister who holds such an important position in the Pinarayi Vijayan government, somebody who holds the post of a tourism minister, who's also the Devaswam board minister, and somebody who in the absence of the chief minister himself represents the chief minister at many occasions, including the last Independence Day, where he was taking the guard of honor for the chief minister when chief minister was absent. Such a person is going to a consulate general office asking for a job for his son is it demeans the very office and the post which he is holding. And also it is very important to say that when Jalil's name had popped up, the chief minister has denied that he has done any wrongdoing. But as of today, the customs has seized Jalil's gunman's phone. So the matter has reached staff which are around KT Jalil. So when this naming of Kadagapalli Surendran has happened, it certainly, as the probe team investigates, the names of more ministers could pop in, and what are the roles that they played. Because it's very important to understand that over the charge sheet, the central agencies have said that ministers, the government officials, the higher top officials have played a role in colluded with the prime accused. And certainly it looks like the government is going to be in a sticky wicket and they have a lot to answer. And Chief Minister can not keep quiet about it because his very, very close aides are being named by the prime accused. And plus, it's very important to note that a state minister cannot walk into a consulate general's office. It violates protocol because a state minister cannot do that without taking the permission from the concerned central ministries.
Yes.
And it's a very, very prima facie violation
So try
of
and
a
get
protocol.
more reactions from the government side now. Ashwin, as the story is building up, because you have top ministers that are being named by the prime accused in the gold smuggling case, even as Swapna Suresh has also moved court against the kind of reportage that is being done, and also by the customs of saying certain names that are being leaked on part of the investigative agencies. Thanks very much, Ashwin, for joining us.